Hello, this is Dr. Frankenstein here. Need a good peanut butter banana sandwich. This is the original. Do not accept imitations. Ginger beer. I love it. Oh, it's so good. If you haven't had it before, it's non-alcoholic. Now, there are some alcoholic ginger beers, but most of them these days are non-alcoholic. This ginger beer has really intense ginger spiciness to it and less carbonation than ginger ale. And it is so good and it's so great in so many cocktails. Today, I'm going to show you two cocktails that are perfect for 5 o'clock. And I'll be using the Fever Tree ginger beer. There's all different kinds of ginger beers. I happen to love Fever Tree, their product. I just think it's great. It's an English company. Anyway, this is the one I'm using today. We're gonna make two different recipes with the ginger beer. The first one is called a Dark and Stormy, and it's a great drink for a dark and stormy day or a sunny and hot day. It's just a really good drink, and it's so simple to make. So simple. You want a nice tall glass filled with ice, alrighty? Then you're gonna use some dark rum. The original recipe used Gosling's, I believe, but I'm using Myers because that's what I got. And some freshly squeezed lime juice and ginger beer. That's it, super easy. So first of all, we're gonna do 2 ounces of the dark rum right there for this Dark and Stormy. So 2 ounces of the dark rum, a half an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice to give it an extra zing. And then you fill it up with the ginger beer. Right on top there. Oh yeah, smells so good already. Oh, doesn't that look good and refreshing? Really, really tasty. And then you're gonna stir it around. Got my old bar spoon here. Like that, make sure it all gets nice and happy in there. And oh, you are in business. Look at that right there. Squeeze the lime in there and give it a taste. Oh man. Oh wow. That is really got a kick to it. Not just the rum, it's the kick of that ginger in here. The spiciness, whoa, the spiciness of that ginger beer. Oh, it's really, really good, and it just cuts that beautiful rum. I mean, it's a perfect drink for a hot day or a cold, depressing day. I mean, it's just a good drink in general. And I like the dark rum because it's got kind of a caramely flavor to it. Just a hint of caramel. And it's really, really nice with the ginger beer. That is called a Dark and Stormy. I think you'll love it. Got a second one for you. It is a ginger beer margarita. Now, this actually is a recipe from Bobby Flay, the wonderful, wonderful chef Bobby Flay. I love his cooking. I love his books. They're wonderful, and his shows. And this is his recipe, okay? And it's, again, it's pretty simple. You're gonna need a shaker filled with ice, all right? And then we're gonna need some silver tequila, right here, some silver tequila. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of the silver tequila right there in the shaker. Boom, that's that. Then you're going to need a half a teaspoon of freshly grated lime zest. That's a good Bobby Flay thing. He loves that good zest in there. They give it that extra little pungent taste. So toss that right in there, easy. Then you need 1 ounce of orange juice, all right? Freshly squeezed if you can. There's 1 ounce of orange juice. Then you're going to need 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. That's just right in there. And then we're going to need 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Now, I showed you before how to make simple syrup. Super easy. You can buy it, but you can also make your own. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, in a saucepan. Dissolve the sugar. You cool it off, and you have your own simple syrup. It's better than buying it in the store. You're gonna need 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. So let's get this in here. Just give it a little sweetness because that lime juice is very, very, very tangy. Okay, there you go. Put that in there. And then we're gonna shake it up. And you got a glass filled with ice. Here I'm using a bucket, as they call it, a bucket glass, or you can use a rocks glass, or whatever you like. All right, and you put this in here. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Okay, you got that. And then you top it off with the ginger beer. Up to 3 ounces of ginger beer. I kind of just eye it till it gets to the top of the glass. There you go. Again, just give it a little stir. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Garnish it with lime. And that is a good Bobby Flay margarita. I'm getting in there right now. I can let it go to waste. Cheers. Ho, 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 ho. Thank you, Bobby. I tell you, this is one of the best margaritas I have ever had. You get the lime zest, which adds an extra little dimension to it. And it's kind of like a spicy margarita because it's got that ginger kick to it. Really, really unique, very, very different. Go perfect with some tacos, taquitos. Hit your local taco truck, bring home a bunch of stuff, and make one of these. So hopefully you'll try some ginger beer. If you haven't already, you can also do a Moscow Mule, which is the ginger beer with vodka. You've probably seen that. It's probably the most common drink, but I just wanted to show you a couple of other choices for your ginger beer. Anyway, enjoy your cocktails. It's 5 o'clock, whichever one you choose. Hopefully you'll make them soon. Let me know. Cheers. Happy 5 o'clocking.